Hello everyone. In this video I am going to solve one of the problem from previous year question of Karnataka TT on physics. Okay. The question is a box is initially at rest on a horizontal frictionless table means friction is zero. If a force of 10 Newton, okay, 10 Newton X. So I will solve this in detail. So what is the given? The force is given which is 10 Newton acts on the box for 3 seconds. So what is the time is given? 3 seconds. 3 seconds. What is the momentum of the box at the end of the 3-second intervals? So what is the momentum? Momentum is defined as the product of mass and velocity. Okay. Here there are two methods we can solve this. So I will go through the impulse momentum theory. Impulse momentum theory or theorem. So what it states is, which states that the change in momentum. So I will, if the p is a momentum, change in momentum is equal to the impulse. I will take impulse as I. So what is impulse? Impulse is the force into time, the product of force and the time. We can write like this. So the initial momentum is zero. Why initial momentum is zero? So what is the momentum? Mass into velocity. At the, see, this is a table. Okay, imagine this is a table. If it rest means without acting force means it will be the initial velocity is zero. So therefore the initial momentum pi is equals to zero. So therefore the final momentum pf, I can write pf is equals to force into time directly. What is change in momentum? Final momentum minus initial momentum. Okay, but here the initial momentum is zero, so therefore change in momentum is equals to impulse is equals, that is I, or we can tell pf is equal to f into t directly, force into time. So what is the force here given is 10 into 3, therefore 30. Momentum is mass into velocity or force, newton second. Okay, what is the answer here? Kg. So mass into velocity, mass is kg and velocity is meter per second. Okay, so here the option is 30 kg meter per second. So directly you can remember like this: impulse momentum theory, change in momentum is equals to the impulse. Okay, then impulse is equals to force into time. Force is 10 Newton, time is for 3 seconds, therefore 30 kg meter per second. Thank you.